Here we are studying about Mandukparni, which has Latin name Centella asiatica and family Umbelliferaceae. In Marathi it is called as Karivana, in Hindi it is called as Bengsak. Due to different properties, it has various names such as Manduk Brahmi, as the properties resemble with Brahmi, Suvarchala, as it is used to correct the speech, Swayambhuvi, because it grows naturally, Smarini, as it is used in recollection of memory, Medhya, due to the intellect promoting property, Kapotavega or Kapotavanka, as it roaming like pigeon, Shleshma Shwasa Vinashini, as it is used in Shleshma and Shwasa disease, Soumya, due to its non-complicated properties, Ridya, due to its Ridya Karma, Mahaushadhi or Varaushadhi, due to its superior properties, Somavallari, because it is a small trailing herb. It is an annual or perennial horizontally spreading creeper with root, leaves, flowers and fruit growing from each node. Thus it is a leans. Leaf has kidney shape and 1 to 6 cm long with 7 veins in it and has a bitter smell. Flower is small, red and fruits are 2 to 3 cm long. Root is thread-like. Seeds are flat and flowering can be seen in Vasant Ritu and fruitation can be seen in Grishma Ritu. Habitat, it can be seen in India and Sri Lanka up to 600-meter height in marshy places and on the banks of the river and brooks. Useful part, Panchanga, Rasa Panchaka, it has Tikta Kasha and Madhur Rasa with Madhur Vipa and Shitavirya. Also it has Laghu Guna and Medhya Prabhava. Pharmacological action, it has Deepana, Vayosthapan, Balya and Medhya actions. Rogagnata, it can be used in Agnimandya, Grahani, Ruddhaurbalya, Jwara, Vrana, Kushtha and Prameha. Doses for Swarasa 10 to 20 ml, Kalpa, Mandukparni Swaras.